Hi Steve, my name is Norman Nightmare from the Never Give 'Em a Break, Pleasantville Gazette. I wanted to ask you a few questions about the alleged child molester and how he possibly could have slipped through your administration's hiring procedures, since it seems that he has a past criminal record.
Is it just me, or is this going to be my worst nightmare? In the flesh, no less. Now, Norman here is not a bad guy. He's just a reporter doing his job, hoping to get a big scoop on what could be a scandal and a media crisis. Now, while we might not be able to turn this nightmare into a dream come true, as we work through the rules of the road in our next module, we'll certainly learn how to minimize the damage to your organization's reputation and help ensure that your reputation becomes one of reliability, responsibility, and being respected by the media. At the same time, assuming your leadership role during a crisis to which others in your organization will look for you for advice during this stressful period. So, once you've done the readings and activities in the module, we'll return again to this interview and we'll see it in all of its completeness. Hey, I never promised you a rose garden in this course. Just promised you the rules of the road for being an effective public relations professional.